All right, y'all, so I am done with my morning cardio, 40 minutes. I did 20 minutes on the Stairmaster, and then another 20 on the elliptical, so 40 in total. My heart rate averaged around 130 beats per minute, so that's pretty much where you want to stay, 120 to 130. So did that for a good 40 minutes, and that's been doing the trick. But this is my breakfast, of course. I got the coffee going, and this right here is 60 grams of oats. I put 1 tablespoon of PB2 in there to give it a little bit of flavor. And this is 3 eggs and 1 cup of egg whites with a cup of spinach. You see some pico de gallo on top and some hot sauce. Yeah, that is the breakfast. Normally my breakfast on my low day would just be the eggs. Today is a moderate day, so I'm having carbs with every meal, moderate amount. But yeah, this is breakfast, man. And you know, all the stuff you see on the eggs, wouldn't worry about that. The pico de gallo, there's really nothing in there. There's 1 tablespoon of pico de gallo on here. There are what, 2 carbs per tablespoon of pico de gallo. Nothing in there, no fat. The hot sauce, there's nothing in there as well. The only thing you're going to find in hot sauce is sodium, and we don't drop sodium, right? That takes away the pump from the muscle. You know, sodium helps your aldosterone levels. That is what helps you keep a pump, helps you shuttle nutrients into the muscle. You know, if you ever come across a bodybuilder or a coach or anything who tries to tell you to get rid of sodium, take sodium out, they do not know what they're talking about. Okay, so sodium is our friend. Too much sodium, no, but regular moderate amounts of sodium is great, right? So this is breakfast. I'm gonna get this down. I'm gonna do a little bit of work, and yeah, I'll tune in with meal number 2. All right, guys, here is meal number 2. As you see, I'm still sitting here doing some work, but meal number 2 is gonna be 7 ounces of chicken. I got 1 cup of chopped up spinach in there, another tablespoon of pico de gallo. I put a little bit of hot sauce on there, and I mean, that's about it. Yeah, that is meal number 2. So, 142 grams of white jasmine rice. So, yeah, that's what's going down for meal number 2. I'm sipping on the water, 2 gallons every single day. But yeah, that's what's gonna go down right now. I'll show you guys meal number 3. I think that will be the meal, the pre-workout meal, before I go and hit the gym. All right, people. Post-workout meal. 7 ounces of ground beef, 93.7 cut, and 142 grams of white jasmine rice, and 1 cup of spinach in there. Boom, boom, boom. That's how we do it. So eat that on gallon number 2, and I will show you guys the 5th meal after this one. Actually, guys, I just remembered I didn't show you my pre-workout meal because I didn't have one. I felt like I was still full for meal number 2, so I just went straight to the gym. So this is meal 3. Okay, this is my post-workout meal. I actually will show you after this the 4th meal. Okay, and then I'll have meal 5 and then meal 6, and that'll be it for the night. All right, people. This is meal number 4. This is 50 grams of cream of rice, 1.5 scoops of let me grab it here, of Nutrix IsoFit protein powder. This is the peanut butter toffee flavor. Fucking amazing. Okay, really, really good. What I do is I make this like cream of rice protein fluff. It's so good. It's like a dessert, guys. So basically you just you microwave the cream of rice for a minute, mix it up, make sure there's no lumps in there. Then you add 1.5 scoops of the IsoFit. Mix that up until it's all smooth, and then you nuke it again for 30 seconds. Mix it up again, nuke it again for another 30 seconds, and boom. I put 1 packet of stevia in there, and then I also added 1 tablespoon of PB2, which sets it off, man. So yeah, it's amazing. It's sweet, it's creamy, it's smooth. It's one of my favorite meals. So yeah, that is meal number 4, and we'll get on to meal number 5 here a little bit later. All right, y'all. So this is meal number 5. About to edit up some videos here, and thought I'd show you what meal number 5 looks like. So it's 7 ounces of chicken, 142 grams of white rice. I've got a little bit of pico de gallo in there, and some spring mix of lettuce, so like green leaf lettuce, romaine, and some spinach. So that is meal number 5, and meal number 6 is going to be real simple. So I mean, I don't think I need to show you guys that. It's 7 ounces of tilapia, and another 142 grams of white jasmine rice. And that's going to be it for the meals today. About 2 gallons of water down, and that's what 6 weeks out food looks like on a moderate carb day. So tomorrow I'll be going back to low carbs, 3 meals with 80 grams of white jasmine rice. So yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed that full day of eating, and we're definitely gonna keep rolling here and come in as conditioned as we can for this show on October 3rd.